Hey everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, you know it's going to be a clean and decorate with me video. So let's get started. Okay, so we will start with the light fixture right there. That was a new item that was installed. Pretty much everything was new in the bathroom except for the medicine cabinet here. My landlord has to order that because of the size. I guess they don't have this size for this cutout here, so he had to order that. So anyway, that's something that we're still waiting on. Then we have the new faucet and new vanity. A couple of months ago we had already gotten a new toilet. Okay, so this cabinet here was installed as well. I really love it. It looks like it has more room than the last one. I already put some things in here because we needed to use the restroom. My landlord ended up doing this while we were gone out of town for a week. And so that's why he was able to do so much with our bathroom. And I was so excited. And I just didn't expect it to be like this. So we got this rail right here. This is the kind that, you know, I can't remember what it does, but it kind of bends out, you know, for the most part. I'm trying not to get the sun so much. And then we have this like stone type of, I don't know what we call this. Anyway, he ended up installing this in the bathroom as well. Well, he said he wasn't sure of what we would like, and that is so kind of him. We have the best landlord ever, for sure. We didn't get a new shower head. That was already here. And then last but not least, the floor. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, you know what? This isn't the last item. There are some other things that he did too. But yes, this floor, oh, beautiful. I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Did I say I love it? Love it. And then I believe he replaced this as well. And then the last thing for sure that he installed was this fan, this exhaust fan. Because the other one, it's funny, it hasn't been working for a while. So he ended up installing a new exhaust fan, so that's really nice too. And it's not as loud as the other one was too. Okay, so these are some of the items that I'm going to be using in today's video for decorating and also for function. I really like this curtain here. This was my most expensive item. I love it because it has the see-through sheer, or it's not sheer, but it's a see-through topping here, and of course it goes on easily on the rail. And then you can detach the liner from the shower curtain. So it's basically two pieces, and you just snap the pieces, or you snap the liner back on when you get finished washing it. Of course, I have the rug here, waistband, it says it right there. Then I have this hanging rack here that I also got from, I think, Myers. I don't know if you guys have a Myers, but you can get it from Home Depot or Walmart, anywhere they sell command hooks, basically. This, I am so excited to put up this waterproof case right here. My kids, they love having basically a concert when they are in the shower, so a lot of times they like to have their cell phones, and so this would be handy to use. You put your cell phone in the case there. And then these are some more racks right here. This one here, or actually this is not a rack, this is for the toilet paper. And then this is the rack right here. Then I have a suction cup razor holder here. Wanted to get one of those. Then I also have this pitcher here that I got from the store at home. And so I want to put that up to replace the pitcher that is in there, and take that one down and put the new one in there. These are the items that I anticipate using in my new updated bathroom. Yes, yes. It looks like that's going to be straight. Ta-da! Yeah, I think I like that. Okay, moving on. Now I have these hooks right here, which I can also use. So I'm going to use those and hang them probably behind the door. Now I have my wastebasket here, so I'm going to place this on the side of the toilet. This is the case that I'm using to hold the cell phone inside the shower. And I'm looking at the directions, and they're not clear for the most part. It's almost like I need to wait to install this, but you know, I really want to install this because I want to use it, you know. If you all can think of something to put on the back of the wall right there, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video with cleaning and decorating with me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like content like this. I usually do cleaning, decluttering, and organizational videos. And if that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one.